Yesterday, I received a box of Kailh hash deep sea switches, which I'm going to try to replace the reds I have on this keyboard. So these are the reds, and they sound pretty good, you know, when you're typing. You have a lot of clickiness. Now, I'm in a room that needs to be silent on occasion. They're not terribly clicky. I mean, these are not tactiles. These are linear switches still, but nonetheless. So I have started doing the replacement. You can already hear the difference. So what I'm going to do is replace this side of the keyboard, and we're going to be able to compare it side by side. All the keys on this side of the keyboard have been replaced. It sounds pretty good. Nothing wrong with that sound, but again, I'm in a room that's generally quiet, so the quieter the better. Okay, all good. Now, I thought I bought the linear switches, but apparently I bought the tactile switches, so that has a bit of a different feel altogether. But here's what it sounds like. Right, on the one side, and then significantly quieter. Now, it does take a lot of extra pressure to actually push the keys in, so that's going to take some getting used to. Also, my backspace kind of sticks a little bit. It doesn't quite pop right back up. I may have to try a different switch just to see if it's the switch. If I press it gently, it tends to get stuck. That was crazy. So we're gonna have to see. If I press it hard, it pops right away, but it does kind of get stuck a little bit, so that's interesting. So, but I like the feel. It will be, you have to type a little more angry than I'm used to. I'm used to typing on laptops quite a bit, so we have to see what the adjustment feels like. These keys are certainly lighter. So let's see how it goes. I will now replace the other side as well. Man, this takes a while, I'll tell you right now. Okay, it's done. So it is done. I'm excited. Now we time to put some keys on. All right, it is done. That is a big difference. I also replaced the key here, this key, so it no longer sticks. I can press it as gently as I want, and it no longer sticks. So it doesn't seem like it's a bad key in itself, but for whatever reason, I guess the backspace is a pretty heavy key, so maybe right there it did not enjoy that experience. This is all set. Again, you can kind of compare the beginning of the video and what it sounded like to what it sounds like now. I will type in a little bit and see how I like it. So overall, this feels pretty good. I do enjoy the way that it's doing things. And this is a pretty good experience. I actually do like the way the keys feel. The final tactile press is very, very satisfying. And it is silent, so the objective of having a more silent experience in this room definitely achieved. Yeah, all right, thanks.